Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Ipsy Extra, or formerly known as BoxyCharm. Alright, for the month of December, you open the box, this is what you see, which is nothing. I'm thinking of signing up for the actual, what do you call them, the bags, if that makes sense. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Farrah Beauty brushes. Love the color, obviously. You know. Okay. Get everything that's on the bottom first. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is a Radiant Medium Light Beige Chart. Concealer. I really don't know if this is, well, okay, yeah, it would be my shade. So, blendable coverage, all that fun stuff. You know. I'm trying to swatch. Kirk's in the back making noise. You know, like always. Asshole. But, gonna try and swatchy. That is the color. So there's that. I have a garbage over there now. Okay. Next thing is a Conquer Cheekbone Conquer Brow Gel. Okay, it's in clear, so you won't really see it. Trying to get it out. Packaging, this is what it looks like. Hang on, it's just a clear. So that's what that looks like. Alright, the next thing is a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Lip Oil in Rose Amber. Okay, is there any? Okay, there. Which, yes, is a brown. And then I'll swatch it for you. There are times where I do go from, okay, let me try to, oh my god, that's what that looks like. There are times I do go from reds and pinks to like browns, depending on what it is, like lip oils and stuff like I'm really fun with. And then last but not least is a Real Hair You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. I'm trying to get it open. Always, you know, always have a knife with you. Kirk's in the kitchen. He's probably wondering who the fuck I'm talking to. I'm trying to get it out. That's what the packaging looks like. And then these are what the colors look like. And then I'll swatch a couple. Hi, Kirky. And that's what some of the colors on the palette look like. So that's everything in my Ipsy. I hope you like this video. Kirk's watching me. Comment below if you haven't. Click the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.